Our mission at Airspace Link is to safely integrate drones into the national airspace and into our communities. And we're doing that by putting in the digital and physical infrastructure required to support recreational pilots, Part 107 commercial pilots, and now advanced beyond visual line of sight flights.
We are one of only 7 companies integrated with the FAA, but Airspace Link didn't stop there. We recognize that for drones to safely scale, so we can unlock the full potential of drones for moving packages, public safety, delivering medical supplies, that we needed to safely integrate drones into our local communities. And so just like a driver would slow down when they're passing by a playground or a school, we're presenting this kind of information to drone pilots too, so they know what they're flying near and over. Are they flying near critical utility line infrastructure? Are they flying over high populations of people? Are they flying over an open air event like a stadium? All of that information is presented through our application so drone pilots can make safer decisions about how they fly in communities.
The people that are behind a lot of the data that go into the application and the analytics that are developed on top of it are just brilliant. And brilliant in terms of their knowledge and experience, but especially brilliant when it comes to their passion to solving a lot of the problems that are associated with us enabling safe and legal UAS operations within any given space.
I'm really excited about our efforts when it comes to diversity, equity, and inclusion at Airspace Link. I think we're doing a very solid job, and our focus currently is on the inclusion, making sure that employees feel comfortable bringing their whole selves to work, and that we are doing everything we can on an organizational level to nurture their individuality.
The leadership team at Airspace Link is 60% female, and in the drone industry, I think that's a pretty rare number. We are from all different backgrounds, we come from different industries, and we have turned Airspace Link into what it is today,